Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe is a delicious and comforting catfish pepper soup. Let me show you how I made it. These are all the ingredients I used for it. I used all-purpose spice and pepper soup. This one is called aging fruit. In my place we call it ihokoriho. Next is ehuru. Ginger, garlic. Please add ginger and garlic to your pepper soup and you will thank me later. Like, it's so good. Onion, habanero pepper, shombo for color. Then otazi. You can use otazi or you can use scent leaf. I started by adding water into a pot, then went in with all my spices, my blended pepper, onion, garlic, and everything. Then put it on the fire to boil so that this will help to bring all the flavors together. You know, catfish doesn't take time to cook, so I just want all the ingredients to marry each other before I will now introduce the catfish. After adding everything, I'll just allow it to boil, then proceed to wash my catfish. I use hot water. Please wash your catfish very well. In front, you will not be able to eat it. I use hot water and salt to wash mine, and it came out really nice. It was not tasting somehow. I don't know. Just watch and learn how I cleaned it. After washing our catfish, I'm just going to add this into our broth. As you can see, it's already looking good. Everything is, good now. Just good to go. Add the catfish gently, then cover it to cook. Also, don't turn your catfish, if not you will scatter. It doesn't take time to just scatter. So if you want to turn it, even if you want to turn it, just carry your pot and shake it. Yeah. Here I opened it to add ehuru. Like I said, don't turn your catfish. Just shake it and you'll be good. So I'm just going to leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And your catfish pepper soup is ready. It doesn't take time to cook. So the last thing you'll be adding to your catfish is your vegetable. Either your otazi or your scent leaf. Anyone. It's just the last thing that you add. Then you shake it like I'm doing now. And just like that, my catfish pepper soup is ready. It's very flavorful, colorful, oh god, and comforting. You can enjoy this alone. You can pair it with your agide like I did. It's just so good. This tasted so good. I'm not even going to lie. It tasted so nice. It was not even enough for us. We wanted more. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment letting me know what you want me to cook next. Also, let me know how your own turned out. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah!